Hey guys, Mike here from Fire Masters. We're back at the Savannah kitchen with Guy, and today we're going to show you a quick and easy way to make a pizza in the wood-fired oven.
This is not the best, it's not the worst, but it's quick, it's easy. One of those bread mix packs you can pick up from any supermarket. It's the basic white bread mix. They're all different, but this one I had in the cupboard. Some of them are 320 mils, some are 300 of lukewarm water. As I said, this is quick and dirty. Not the best, not the worst. I'd normally just chuck this in the food mixer and let it go for 5 minutes. But as we're outside, we'll give it a whirl. There we go. Getting to a point we turn that out onto the flour. Give it a mix. Alright, so you just flour that up. And it's time to get dirty. Apologies to all those bakers out there.
Yeah, like we said, it's a quick and easy way to get it done. I guess for those who've never made pizza before, if they've got these ingredients in the cupboard,
Yeah.
then they can get started. So it looks like the trick is to keep adding a bit of flour so it doesn't stick to the board.
Yeah. This, I mean, you normally do this in the, well, you could do it in a food processor with a dough hook.
Yeah.
5 minutes, get it nice and mixed up, left with a nice ball, put it in the bowl. It'll sit for about 40 minutes, just or double in size, and then we take it out.
Yeah.
Knock it back into some smaller dough balls to roll into pizzas, and we can have something to put our pizza toppings on, whatever that might be. But, right. You asked me when I know it's ready, Mike.
Yeah.
Feels about ready now.
Okay, good.
Because I'm tired. Right, so let's put a little bit of olive oil in there.
Just coat the outside with a bit of olive oil.
Yeah, just stop it sticking, otherwise you hauling it all out afterwards.
Right.
Take that. Take my nice clean cloth. That over there. Get that a bit warm there. That proof.
Alright, so we've got our pizza ovens getting really hot. We are using Kameeldoring in there, which is the Afrikaans word for camel thorn. This is what the log looks like. It's obviously a reddish brown in color. It's commonly called braai wood, similar to the Seelkobos. It's also from Namibia, which is in southern Africa. This wood is by far, the Rolls Royce of all firewood in the world. It gets really, really hot. Again, it's 2% moisture content, so it's super dry. It ignites quickly, and it creates long burning coals with very high temperatures. So that's ideal for longer cooks, but also for pizza ovens, because you need to get that temperature up and it needs to hold the temperature.
So let's get this wood to the side. There we go. You can feel the heat coming off that now. It is amazing. So we are clearing a space, but it is exceptionally hot. If you put a pizza on that now, I think it would just incinerate really quick. So excuse my coal spade. Repurposed pizza. Right, so we'll leave that for a bit, then we're going to add some more Kameeldoring on there, just to get the flames. I use these fire bricks just as a little bit of a deflector, otherwise the pizza burns really on the edges. This just deflects some of the heat up and over the top. I used to put the fire at the back, but
You find it works better on the side?
I don't know, jury's still out, I think.
Yeah.
But I always used to push it to the back, and then you kind of, I don't know, I tried the side and it seems to work better. I think you get a better roll of flame, you know, once you get that flame going, it makes it a bit better, but I don't know.
And with your fire bricks that you've set up as the deflector, is that something that you can actually buy from a
You can,
a
I
store?
mean, they're different deflectors, or
Yeah.
you know, people make them out of steel and whatnot. But this is just a needs must. I kept burning the pizza, so I thought, well, I'll try this.
I've actually seen really good deflectors like that for sale on the Manor from Devon website.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, they've got some good ones.
I'm sure he could teach me a thing or two.
Yeah.
But,
Okay, guys. So what's next?
well, I think we should make some sauce for our pizza.
All right, let's do that.
So, again, use it. There we go. So, my trusty little cast iron pot. I use that for all my stuff. Just throw it in either in the oven or on the fire. It gets nice and warm. So we're going to do again another quick and dirty tomato paste. I'm not giving you quantities and stuff because
Yeah,
this is just,
we're winging it.
yeah. Then some passata and oregano. I just do this just to thicken it up.
Yeah.
And then we just take a couple of basil leaves, give a bit of extra flavour and colour. Should probably tear these, but anyway, we are going to get cooked anyway.
Yeah.
So drop those in.
You can smell it from here. Delicious.
It's always good. Can't go wrong with basil.
No.
Right.
Right, so now we've got our base.
That smells. Oh, right. So that we're just going to go in here and let that get warm and reduce that down and give us a nice thick sauce for our pizza. So yeah, now it's a case of hurry up and wait. Alright, that dough, I'm going to take just a small amount of this. Like that.
Right, so having that dough by the pizza oven helped it rise a bit.
Yeah. I'm just going to stretch it out. I'm not going to roll it. You can roll it with a rolling pin or
Yeah.
whatever. It's really rustic. Don't ask me to go and flip it around my head or anything. And make a nice small little pizza.
Yeah.
Right, so
Should we get our tomato sauce?
yeah, before we do that.
Oh, Napolitano sauce.
Oh, fuck. Now should just put a nice chunk of mozzarella. Right, a little drizzle of top. flying away. Right, didn't take too long.
There we go.
Only missing anchovies.
Okay, just
good.
on us. There we go.
It wasn't around pizza, so I didn't get cut into proper pizza slices. Right, born up a tree.
Let's do it.
Go for it, Mike. Dig
Yeah,
in.
you take that one.
No, you take the big piece. I'll just go this. It's going to burn.
Yeah, it's going to be hot as hell.
Mozzarella.
Cheers.
Cheers, man. Thanks for another good
Nice
day.
one. Yeah.
It's a good lunch.
Not bad.
Very good. Thanks a lot. Good to have you guys again. We'll see you again soon.
And that's it, guys. Quick and easy recipe. Did a basic mozzarella, some tomato, basil, in the wood-fired oven with a bit of Kameeldoring. Didn't take long at all.
No.
That's a good snack.